Pray for Lagos and Nigeria, the 8th of June 2025.
I have already given this prophecy about Lagos and Nigeria. Lagos, Nigeria. I gave this message before, I think March. But this time around, we are going to pray for Lagos. We are going to pray for Lagos. I have seen a lot of people collapsing in Lagos. There shall be many people collapse. Many people collapse. 2 stories, 3 stories, and above. This year. It has never happened in the history of Nigeria like this. We have such a big number of buildings collapses. There shall be news of many collapses in Lagos. I want to know about 2 of them in Lagos. 2 of them. This is the third time I am giving the message of flooding in Lagos and other parts of Nigeria. In Lagos, Lekki, Bihar, Bangladesh, Alabasta, many people will flood. So Nigerian government, the Lagos government shall need to prepare for emergency relief and evacuation. Most especially during collapse. I have seen a building that caught fire and people will stay in that building. We should pray for this. We should pray for this. We should pray for protection for divine intervention. That the Lord shall protect Lagos.
The Nigeria's commercial nerve center is being swept away by water. Is the nation's money being swept away into the lagoon, where we'll be finding out tonight what exactly is going wrong. Don't forget, there was a warning by the NSHA that's as of April, that 30 states and the FCT is at risk of severe flooding. Don't forget what has happened in the past about flooding in parts of Kogi, Benue, Niger, and some other parts of the country. It was really, even in Bayelsa, the flood waters threatened a lot of farmland. But tonight, Lagos finds itself wading through yet another battle with nature as heavy rains and tidal lockup have left streets, homes, and businesses in parts of the city underwater. From Victoria Island to Ijora and Ajegunle, residents have endured days of persistent flash floods, with Lagos State Emergency Management Agency confirming that over 30 communities affected in just about 72 hours.